Do not listen to this recording while operating a motor vehicle. Make sure you have a nice, calm, pleasant place. Somewhere quiet where you can just close your eyes for a moment and enjoy a little bit of you time. I would like you to take a deep breath in and out and really focus on your breathing for a while. And allow your eyes to close naturally. That's right. Simply allow them to close. And enjoy your breath. That's right. All the way now. All the way. On this hypnotic journey, you will discover some very important things, some immensely important and valuable things, things of significance to you. Just like long time ago, you were in school. You went to this new place of learning. And you learned one of the most important things in your life, the alphabet. And there were all these crazy symbols, and you were just a little kid, and it was so hard to wrap your head around it, to some extent or another. And perhaps you are wondering, how the hell am I going to remember these characters? But luckily you are not alone. Your unconscious mind has helped you every step of the way. It helped you learn those characters, so that soon enough you are able to recognize the characters, because your unconscious mind has made mental images and saved them deep within your mind. And then when you saw them, you knew how to write these characters. You knew how to pronounce them. And how many doors that has opened to you. How many doors, how many opportunities were we able to? That's right. And your unconscious mind does so much more for you than just that. So much more. It's been with you through thick and thin. A real friend, a real protector, your guardian angel. It didn't matter whether you were healthy or sick, it was there to protect you. Maybe a ball or car or something was coming your way, and even though you were lost in thought, you were able to stop and move out of the way just in time. Your reflexes that keep you safe. It's all your unconscious mind helping you out. So take a moment and appreciate that, knowing that there's a part of you that is so much wiser and powerful, that's always there for you, protecting you and helping you every step of the way. So really enjoy that and appreciate it, and thank your unconscious mind. I would like you to find yourself relaxing even further, going deeper and deeper to a special place deep inside of you. I would like you to imagine that you're in a city by the docks, and there's the sea, and there are all sorts of ships. Now here's the fun part. You're going on an adventure, because in your pocket there's a treasure map that will lead you to real treasure, a very special treasure. Now you know where the island is. Now it's important to decide, how are you going to get there? Now this dock is huge. There's so many options. There's the good old-fashioned galleon, a modern cruise ship, and a smaller sail ship. Or maybe you'll find even a different boat. I wonder which boat you will choose. So go ahead and take the pick. Pick the one that feels right to you. Pick the one that resonates the most with you. Because that is your boat. That boat was meant for you. And that means something. So allow your unconscious mind to assist you in selecting the right boat for your journey. The journey that has to do with your motivation. And that treasure significance. There's the sound of the seagulls, the water, hitting the boats softly. People, sailors, maybe even pirates walking around. I don't know what kind of dog you see, because it is your kind of dog. So as you approach your ship, there's your guide. I wonder what kind of a person he is. Is he an old salty pirate with a wooden leg and a patch? Or is he a modern kind of a sailor in a white uniform? Or is he somebody completely different? Allow your unconscious mind to choose the right guide to help you out on your journey. And it's going to be a great journey. A great journey. A treasure hunt. Now, aside from your guide, maybe you have some crew. Maybe it's just the two of you. Either way is better. So board your ship and set sail. because it is important. Two. So there you are, sailing away. The salty water. You can smell it in the air. And the water is beautiful. You can see the sun, it's a warm, beautiful day. And you have a sense that it is going to be a wonderful day. A special day. So enjoy yourself on your ship. And there's your guide, approaching you now. He points out into the distance, way, way over there. Dark clouds, way in the distance. Your guide explains that a nasty storm is coming. And that you have three options. You can take three possible routes. You can sail towards the left, a safe passage. Then you can sail to the right, you would evade the storm as well. However, that route is known for pirates and similar dangers. And the path ahead of you, the final path, is blazed through the storm. Your guide lets you decide which path to take. So allow your unconscious mind to help you pick the path that is your path, that resonates with you the most. And you can tell which one it is, can you not? Of course you can. It is your path and your adventure. Now before you head on, in whichever way you decided, I will count to 3 in a moment, not just yet. And when I do, I would like you to open your eyes and make sure the next recording plays. Knowing that you will come back here and continue on your path very, very soon. Because you have an adventure ahead of you, a journey to treasure of immense value and significance. And you can tell that that treasure is worth every bit of it. So as I count to 3, you can stay in trance and just play the next recording and come back right away. 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead and punch in the next recording. Now.